The main aim of the Braeview cluster group was to develop moderation and assessment of writing. This group had representatives from Braeview Academy, Columbia Primary, Mill of Mains Primary, Longhaw Primary and Finchley Primary. The group wanted to ensure we had a shared understanding of the key elements of writing which should be assessed in line with the experiences and outcomes from early through to second level. Once these elements had been agreed, we split into two subgroups, one for early and first level and another for second level. The early level group began by looking at the different stages of writing. This process begins with the children scribbling randomly. Here we have another example of random scribbling. We then spoke about the next stage, which would be circular or controlled scribbling. Children within our settings were very aware of the written word, and many examples of mock writing was displayed in the learning environment. Here is another example of mock writing. After mock writing, most children then try to write individual letters. Usually once the child has learned to write individual letters, they then attempt to write whole words. Here is a child's attempt at her name. This was another attempt at writing unsupported in line with the dinosaur topic. Here is another example of a child attempting to write a letter. This was from a Primary 1 child. For early level, the group has devised advice on pencil control and moderation sheets which professionals can use to assess children as soon as they attempt to write. These assessments will contribute to the early profiles currently used within our settings. Children who are displaying early writing skills in different forms can also be assessed using the recording formats. We use a variety of strategies to encourage children to use their understanding of sounds to develop their writing. The group have collated various examples of writing which have been assessed as secure within early level for staff within the cluster to refer to. Assessment record sheets and moderation guidelines have also been devised for first and second level. Children should be encouraged to use a variety of different strategies in class to develop core writing skills. VCOP strategies have been identified to be used throughout all cluster schools. The expectation for early, first and second level is that all children will have 6 pieces of unscaffolded writing assessed each year. The group have collated various examples of writing which have been assessed as secure within first level for staff within the cluster to refer to. This has also been done for second level. The project will be delivered to all teaching staff in the Braeview cluster at the end of May. This will provide staff the opportunity to cross-mark writing and engage in professional dialogue to ensure shared understanding of standards. This will then be piloted across the cluster from August 2012.